Hi, today we are going to know about e-commerce and web designing. E-commerce and web designing. This is your computer paper in second sem for first become students. Okay, this is of 75 marks. So in this e-commerce and web designing, we are having 5 units. Those are introduction part, and the second unit is e-payment system, third unit is online business transactions, and the fourth unit is website designing, and fifth unit is also website designing for hyperlinks, and the fourth unit website designing is introduction to HTML. Coming to first unit, that is introduction part. In this introduction part, we are having what is internet, the applications of internet, how we use internet, and the introduction of e-commerce. What is e-commerce? What are the advantages and disadvantages present in e-commerce? All this comes in your first unit, and also types of e-commerce models, all this. And the next we move to second unit, that is e-payment system. E-payment system means online payment system. That means what is e-payment system? How we do transactions using this e-payment system, advantages, disadvantages, all this comes in your unit 2. And next third unit is online business transactions. In online business transactions, we are having the purpose of online business transactions and the meaning of this online business transactions and the advantages and disadvantages of this online business transactions. Next, how you pay the insurance bills, banking bills, all this comes in your unit 3. And the next one is unit 4. Unit 4 is of website designing. Website designing means you are designing a website, and this is through introduction to HTML. In this website designing chapter, you will get the introduction to HTML. That means HTML గురించి మొత్తం ఉంటుందమ్మా. HTML means hypertext markup language. So in this unit 4, you will get the hypertext markup language, syntax, structure, and different types of tags that we are going to use in your HTML. Comes in your 4th unit. And next we move to 5th unit, that is of web designing again. And in this web designing, we use hyperlinks and the remaining tags which we use for designing a website. Those tags like list, table tags, image tags, all this comes in your 5th unit. These are the 5 units in your paper e-commerce and web designing.